You ever sit back and wonder what makes your wheel go around and not fall off? Well, I'm here to show you. It's this. This is it right here. See, it's called a bearing or a hub, and it goes right here. You see the bolts? This comes out, and this slides in. As you can see, it's a four nut because this is a Nissan Altima. So once you get those out, you see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 right there, and that's the back end of it. Now, I can't do this myself. I have to get my dad to help me, because not only you got to take the wheel, you got to take the rotary off, you got to take the brake off, and then you got to bang on the back of it to get this freaking thing to pop out. And if you're not careful, you can break something. My dad has been a mechanic his whole life, so like 40, 50 years he's been a mechanic. No, he's only 50, so 40 years at least. He's been working on cars since he was like 10 or 12. So yeah, anyway, that's a Nissan Altima 2.5 S hub. Subscribe. Peace.